Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be making pan-seared pork loin with browned butter and herbs, so stay tuned for the recipe. I have here 2 pork loins. These are smoked, but you can use regular pork loins instead. So I'm going to season these with some salt, some red pepper flakes, some cumin, and some oregano. So I'm going to rub the seasoning all over this side and then flip them over and season the next side. I really love the added flavor that smoking gives to meat, so every once in a while I'll buy smoked pork or smoked turkey. So I have my cast iron pan on medium-high. And I'm adding some coconut oil to cook with because I really like the flavor of it with pork, but you can use avocado oil or the oil of your choice. So I'm going to sear these on the first side for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to sear the next side for 4 minutes. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? And I'm not even done yet. So now I've turned my stove on medium-low, and I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of butter to the pan, 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary, and some sprigs of thyme, which will give it a really nice earthy flavor, and I think this goes really well with pork. So I'm basting the pork with the butter mixture for about 3 minutes, and as you can see, the butter has turned nice and brown. Now I'm adding 3 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm going to mix it around, making sure that it doesn't burn because garlic burns really easily. That's why I'm adding it at the later stages of the cooking. I'll let this simmer for about 3 minutes while I continue to mix and baste. I'm going to keep basting just to make sure that the pork loin doesn't dry out. And these are done. The herbs and the butter give this pork loin such great flavor, and it smells fantastic. Because of the basting, this is nice and juicy and tender. So I actually made 5 pork loins, and this will last us for today's dinner, and we'll have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.